personally, okay, just, you know, it's me. I don't stand next to a tree. Look at the shadow. Look at the shadow. Look at my shadow. Think, okay, I am 5 foot.
How long's my shadow?
My shadow's this long. That shadow is that long. I don't look at the tree, go.
How long is it?
Wonder how big that tree is. I am not one who goes out someday and plays golf, okay, with a friend of mine named Jimmy. I don't go out and shoot the ball and say,
Wonder when the ball reaches its highest point.
Yeah.
and I just wonder
Hold that thought.
exactly what the distance is between when I first release and when it ends at the top of the
Well, that would be the distance to your drive, wouldn't it?
I don't really.
I don't know.
If I throw my projector
looking
out
at
the
my
window,
zeros.
I don't really give a crap about how high it is, what its original point was. As long as that thing hits the ground and goes into a million pieces.
Me, personally, when there's a golden nut across a square yard, I don't wonder how far away it is.
I
just
wonder
go
how
get
much
the
money
freaking
I
golden
can
nut.
go get.
You know what?
Most of all, does anything
no.
actually fly like a quadratic? No. Well, let's look at it again. Let us
This
do.
time in slow motion.
No, this time in slow motion. Not a quadratic.
No.
The root of this quadratic is 4x squared plus 9x.
He's
No,
only
it's
1,000.
4.9 because gravity
Which of
makes
course
4.9.
means absolutely
9x
nothing.
squared. He got the touchdown.
Better than the square
French
video.
dance,
You
Kale.
just send him this.
No.
French dance.
French
No.
toast.
No.
Oh my god.
They tell us in math class that, oh yeah, these are some things that will help us to, you know, do stuff in the real world.
Not
Well,
me.
after school's over, that's the real world.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to say, but I haven't used this once except for, you know, 10 o'clock at night when I have to do my homework for the next
I'm not
day.
driving home on the bus thinking,
I doubt they're
I
gonna
wonder
ask
what the
me-
sin of this triangle is.
Oh, yeah, I don't go to a
wonder
basketball
what the
game. I do not go to a basketball game, shoot a shot, and be like,
I wonder what the angle of elevation.
Well, Your Honor, please the court. The angle of the intercepts of this quadratic is
3.
3. No, that's the vertex. Sorry. The zeros are 2, 0, and 3, 0. So it's a very skinny quadratic.
Mr. Socialite, your
I'd like to present my
My
demonstration
client,
with the
please.
external net.
5x squared
Only
plus
mine is
5x
way
subtract 10.
no, that didn't actually happen. Are you serious?
As a jury, I
squared.
say, as a jury,
Order!
I'd like to
Order in
say-
my courtroom!
as a
But
member of
Judge
the jury,
Taylor,
Could
as
the
a member of the
please
jury,
scratch this
I have
from
to
the
say I don't
records?
like to review evidence that requires
Judge
me
Taylor's
to use a graphic
cigar goes
calculator.
into his mouth at a quadratic.
I'd like to
minus
present some
5x.
evidence.
There, this clearly proves
He
that.
catches it!
This clearly proves
Carol!
This clearly proves
That's
that
it,
quadratic
Carol.
has no
Not
place
bad,
in
but the other day.
anything. What is that true? Tell me. What
Oh,
is
and
that
he's
true?
gonna. It looks like he's gonna keep that game.
Okay, so let's see. That's how quadratics are used in the courtroom. Let's see. How are quadratics used in the medical profession?
That was a quadratic.
Person on the operating table. Okay, here we go. We're starting at 6.
All right.
And okay, there we go. We're at the top. Okay, we're at the top.
Vertex.
Of course.
And cut it.
call for your-
Okay, and look, we're coming all the way back. And then we're gonna do it again.
Call for your medical tool, scalpel.
I'm going to die. I
now.
can't breathe.
Now that I've done that, I have accidentally murdered this man.
Quadratic was
My
fine.
bad.
The
So
only
I
way-
have to go to the courtroom now. Present the evidence of what exactly the highest point was, because in the medical profession,
They can easily
the highest
determine
point
whether or
has
not
to be
I'm
5
guilty or
and
not
6.
from knowing the vertex
And mine
of my
was
stab.
sadly 4 and 3. I'm sorry.
Guilty as charged.
I'm sorry.
You are guilty of using quadratics in the process of your murder.
Like, as if the Duke of Pizza needs to know quadratics.
Clearly.
The number of pizzas he has is represented by the quadratic.
No, you know why?
Honestly,
Because when he's
when he
flipping that
throws that pizza up in the air, yeah, when he does
Oh!
this, he needs to know exactly how high it went.
because he needs to catch it.
I know,
You
it's
touch
a-
that
And
at the
release it
wrong
at a
time.
force of
Back to you, you can
0.5x.
get on it,
He goes like
and
this.
we're going to court. Midpoint formula is the biggest joke in the world.
Formula, whatever.
Seriously,
I think we started down the wrong road when some guy realized 1 + 1 was 2.
Yeah.
We just gone downhill.
No,
Oh yeah,
I want to go
look
back
where
in
we've
time.
gone, and I said nothing. I'm just like watching.
I
all
want to
this
go back in time and
Meow.
meet these mathematicians that came up with all this, and I just want to be one of those guys that sat at their door while they're working out and be like, "Oh my God, you're so nerdy. Who are you?"
Seriously, okay.
They're just like, "Oh my God, okay." So if we have,
Have you
if
ever
we have
actually
x,
looked at what
oh my
you're
God,
talking about?
x
This is
equals
what you're
negative
talking
b
about.
square root
You're
b
stupid.
squared
The
plus
Earth is flat.
4ac minus
Seriously,
2a.
if you
Oh my
went-
God, that works.
If you went to that
Oh,
mathematician,
he's open! He's
This-
open!
this
Right
is
down
the
the
type-
field!
That's the best quadratic yet.
the only math you're looking at more determining
who's
what
the defender
football
here?
is going to be like.
Oh, unsportsmanlike conduct! That's on me!
Seriously, go back and show them. Here's what you're figuring out. What? Good job.
Cassie, watch this fight scene. This is a hand skip. Hold on.
Now his fist is going at an angle of depression of 26 degrees.
I said get back down the water.
And
Give me the cup. Give me the cup. The cup.
here's the question, okay? Mr. Young,
Cassie, we're making an ale house of your house.
Yeah, I know. My mom's gonna walk in and go, "What the hell
Mr.
happened
Young
here?"
says that we can't go, x is approximately 2, right? If it's 2.96. But for all intents and purposes, 2.999997 is 3 degrees. Okay, Matt, seriously. Gay Pride Week is coming up, okay? I'll enter you, like, if you're afraid, I'm not,
That would be the opposite of having pride, though. You had to force someone else to enter you.
Okay, maybe the chocolate cake was a bad idea.
This is
Why?
the coolest saga.
Listen to us.
Chocolate cake that
normal.
makes us insult Mr. Young on videotape is never bad.
No, we usually just insult him, just not on video.
That's true, we insult him to his face.
You definitely should.
I'm a chocolate cake addict.
Interesting.
It's like my sex.
I'm gonna go watch the movie.
This is my.
Let's go watch the movie, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
So you